Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Xploradex token. Ticker symbol is XPL. Now this token is on the Xrpl ledger blockchain, and this token is live for pre-sale. They have an ICO, an initial coin offering, happening right now on their webpage. Their webpage is Xploradex.io. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So experience AI-driven decentralized trading on the XRP ledger. Harness the power of artificial intelligence for smarter, faster, and more secure trading. Now, if you want to get this token, if you want to check out the ICO, go to their page, Xploradex.io. The top right-hand corner of the page, you can put there's a button you can click. There's actually at the bottom too. It says Buy XPL. You click on that, it'll take you over to a page, sale.xploradex.io, and it says join the Xploradex presale. Presale ends in 25 days. By the time I upload this video, maybe it'll be around 24 days. But it says total supply of this token is 500 million tokens. Ticker symbol XPL. This is on the XRP blockchain. So if you click buy now, you can. There is a QR code. It says send XRP to XPL token presale address below. They have the address, the QR code. They even have the how to buy. So it says buy XRP from an exchange and send to your XRP wallet. Copy paste the address below and send XRP to it. XPL tokens will be airdropped immediately after presale, and it says set up trust line for XPL here. So all of that you can easily find at sale.xploradex.io. Now it says the first AI-powered decentralized trading platform on XRPL. Xploradex is the first artificial intelligence-powered DEX trading platform on the XRP ledger designed to revolutionize decentralized finance with advanced AI automation, predictive analytics, and liquidity optimization. By combining AI-driven smart trading strategies with XRPL's fast, low-cost transactions, Xploradex ensures a seamless, efficient, and intelligent trading experience for users. Some of the key features, it says AI-powered trade execution, automated AI-driven trading strategies, strategize, optimize order books, and precision and efficiency. Liquidity optimization, so AI-powered automated market maker, AMM, and order book integration with reduced slippage. Predictive market insights. AI analyzes market trends, whale movements, and sentiment to provide real-time trade recommendations. Non-custodial and fully decentralized, so users retain full control over their funds while leveraging AI-assisted strategies. And governance and staking, so the native XPL token powers governance decisions and staking rewards. So they have the problems with traditional DEXs. Manual execution, lack of AI integration, liquidity challenges, market volatility and risk exposure, and lack of institutional-grade trading tools. So Xploradex solves these challenges by integrating AI-powered automated trading and advanced analytics, offering AI-optimized trading strategies so AI executes trades in real time, reducing risk and maximizing efficiency. Automated arbitrage and liquidity optimization. So AI detects arbitrage opportunities across Xrpl dexes and optimizes liquidity pools. Risk management and AI alerts. So AI continuously analyzes market trends and executes protective stop-loss orders. They also have real-time AI-generated market intelligence. So AI scans news, social media, and price movements to deliver predictive insights. So how Xploradex works is the AI-driven trading engine. Xploradex utilizes machine learning models and predictive analytics to identify optimal buy and sell opportunities based on market trends, automate high-frequency trading, so HFT, and arbitrage trading, and execute stop-loss and take-profit orders based on real-time volatility analysis. So liquidity optimization system includes AI-driven AMM, which ensures tighter spreads and reduced slippage. Smart order routing finds the best liquidity sources for trade execution. AI market-making bots, so provide continuous liquidity and support efficient pricing. And they also have governance, so decentralized autonomous organization, the DAO. Xploradex is a community governed via the Xpl token holders, proposal and voting mechanisms. Users stake their Xpl, and it looks like it becomes Xpld to propose and vote on protocol upgrades, AI model enhancements, and trading parameters. Now, the Xpl's token utility, they have voting power, so governance rights, proposal submission, protocol adjustments, reduced trading fees, access to premium AI tools, early access to new AI models. We have liquidity provider rewards, AI enhanced market making, and permanent loss protection. And they have 40% of the tokens will go to public sale and liquidity. 20% goes to the ecosystem and development. 25% goes to the staking and pool rewards. 8% goes to team and advisors, and 7% goes to the DAO treasury. Now, I am going to put, they do have a Telegram, I just noticed on their webpage. I do believe they have a Twitter here too as well. I'm going to put that in the corner of the page here at Xploradex on Twitter. Real easy to find that. Go check out this pre-sale. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto. I was reading something. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.